Hi, I'm having same problem as many. I believe problem is that in AutoCAD 2022, command P stands for pan. Do you have maybe a solution? This is the video from the question that she's asking, the lazy cell text, and this is simply a quick macro command that we created to select all of our text at once, right? And it's right here on my screen, the lazy cell text. Again, simply it will quickly select all of your text as you are seeing it right now, right? Um, for people who are new to macros, a quick explanation is that a macro is a way to run multiple commands with one single click, right? For instance, let's say when you want to clean your drawings, you always use the purge command, you always do a zoom extend in your drawing, and you always save and close your drawing. So those are three steps or commands that you are doing. And you can imagine if you do this for multiple drawings, you will waste a lot of time. So that's why we can create a quick macro and put those three commands together, and we can activate it with a single click. So that's the whole idea of macros. And again, to go back to the question, let's right click over here. We already created this macro, right? We already created, so that's why we have the code right here. Anyway, the problem that she was having is with this part of the code, and probably if she's having this problem, maybe there are more folks that are also having the same issue. That she's saying that P sometimes stands, depending on the AutoCAD version, for the pan command. So what we can do is maybe utilize an alternative option right here, right? So let's get rid of this, and what this portion of the code is doing is simply using the P select to select the previous selection, right? Because we are selecting all of our text as well as our M text. So let's remove that piece, and um, let's try to use another code, right? So hopefully this can work for our friend. So what we're gonna utilize then is a short code. I'm gonna open parentheses, because we're gonna use a orally expression here. It's a small, very simple, and what we can do is open and close parentheses so we can put our code inside, right? And we're gonna use a command like so. And the command that we're gonna use using these quotation marks again. So I'm gonna open and close my quotation mark to utilize the command p select. All right. So once we utilize that command, uh, AutoCAD is gonna ask us something, and what we're gonna respond using these quotations again is P for previous, and finally we're gonna press an enter by using these two quotations again. All right. So this is again an alternative for this person, and hopefully for other friends also. So let's quickly test whether this command works now. So let's click OK and let's test it. Here we go, guys. So the command is also working. So hopefully this alternative, right, can help this person as well as other folks.